Ki doktor, ki nurse, ki non-tray harangkat ki buat pyniap ke Bethany Hospital Nongpoh, ki la penremjur halor ke jingjia pyniap bat shah lehbeijot ke wena ke doktor badang shah hikai ha RG Kar Medical College bat Hospital Kolkata. Ha ke janmiat jong ke khadriu terik nailar ki doktor, ki nurse, ki non-tray bat ki buat pyniap ke Bethany Hospital Nongpoh, ki la penlong ru ke jingthang memeti bat dawaru na ki buat sorkar jong ke jela West Bengal, ban shimkhia bat kiam ya barok ki badan keti hakani ke kampun trim. Doktor CM Pochna bat ki ki doktor ki la pentip baki yasnok ketilang ban penpau ya ke jing pyrshah halor kani ke jing syak pyniap ke doktor kumbalaya ki da ki doktor hakeleng keri India. Kila penrem juru ya kani ke jing syak pyniap ke doktor ke balak tak ya ke jimut jiperkat omtang ya ki doktor Henry ki pajba karihi barok kawai. Kum ke jingjia snok keti halor kani ke jingjia na ke liang ki bor pyniap ya ke Bethany Hospital Nongpoh kila pen menapat bakru ban Khang ya ke jing sumar ya ki bawan nabar OPD.
A few days for us. A member of our fraternity had faced such horrendous acts of violence which is beyond uh, thinkable. She had suffered so much, and that too in the line of duty. She was doing her work in the place where she thought that she she had safety, but instead her life was taken away in spite of uh, the comfort which she thought she had. So we demand from the government a more safer, protected environment, not only for us, for our fraternity, but for every female uh, uh, workers, be it any field. It can be in the office, it can be in the schools, it can be in anywhere. We need to protect our dear sisters. They should feel safe to work. The environment where they can give their best, the service which they give their best to our people, to our society. So these few words, I really condemn this horrendous act which has happened in the government hospital in Kolkata, and I really wish the family, I condone my deepest condolences to the family, and may her soul rest in peace. So as a mark of, in terms with the Indian Medical Council has called for, just a mark of, to show that a solidarity with the whole of the doctors' fraternity of the country, we from Bethany Hospitals will be not functioning our routine OPDs, but our emergency services will be available. Anyone can still come to the hospitals. Yes, routine OPDs is closed for tomorrow. Other works, emergency works will continue.